Good morning, everyone. This is day 12, I cannot believe it. We are almost at 2 weeks of making videos. This is crazy, and I really enjoy it, and I'm so glad I got back into it. So today's Friday, so happy Friday to everyone watching. We have a decent amount to do today. No more mug boats, those are done. I did get some more mug boats. I got contact with some suppliers, and I bought some last night, so got about like 2,000 or something. I don't know, like 2,000 probably, because I'm adding them all over my head. And then the first thing I'm gonna do this morning, we're gonna do email marketing. We're gonna do cold email marketing, which I actually really enjoy. I love seeing the click-through rates and the analytics on that. So we're gonna do that, and then we're going to ship, and then we're gonna, create orders and ship orders. I'm gonna create a tutorial. I'm gonna create a tutorial today, and it's gonna be posted on this YouTube channel as well. It's gonna be going over print on demand in 2024 strategies. Because I also do print on demand. I used to do it a lot more. I still make passive income on that, which I should be adding in, but it's just very little. But this new concept on print on demand might explode in 2024, so I really want to get this tutorial out for you guys. If you're getting into entrepreneurship, print on demand was my first, and also should be your first endeavor onto the path of being an entrepreneur. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a long intro, sorry. Also, my mom killed it with the wallpaper back here. I think it looks amazing. We're doing a whole reno throughout this living room, so you'll see me pointing in different directions when new things come along. But also, construction's outside. If you don't hear it, there is a building complex getting built. So that's fun. Anyways, happy Friday. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace. Okay, I know it's too early to get pissed off here. I know, but I am. I'm pissed. I'll show you. So, Facebook got back to me, and they go, this automated response, we're actively working on your issue, and we'll contact you. Okay, cool. Thank you. Appreciate it. Anyways, at 1:26, the Meta support gets back to me and goes, "Hello, Nick. My team got back to me, and unfortunately, since the pixel is not implemented through a third-party website, you can contact their support or look for support at..." And then it leads me to a link to go back again and contact them once again. Then he leaves the chat, and then Meta support at 1 o'clock goes, "Was your issue resolved?" Which I'm sleeping, and at 4:41 I'm sleeping. Since we didn't receive a response, we will close the chat. Bro, I'm sleeping. I can't open that right now. And why would you close the chat without me answering in the first 24 hours? Meta, what is going on? Why won't you just help me out? Don't you want more sales? Don't you want me to use Facebook? I'm so confused right now, and I'm so irritated. Like, why would you want to close the chat on somebody that doesn't have their Facebook ads working? That's how you make money. I'm so confused. I'm so lost. I'm pissed. Anyways, have a great day. All right, after that was all settled and I had a little hissy fit, we got straight into getting these orders out. I wanted a quick day. I just wanted to get the orders done as quick as possible. My mom came over to finish up the wallpaper, which you guys will probably see in the video tomorrow. But yeah, that's all I'm doing here, getting them all prepared and ready to ship out. If anyone is curious of what I'm doing here, this is laminate. I just get it in bulk, and it comes in a 30-inch sheet, and I only need 14 by 10. And this is also my craft paper that I created. It is 8.5 by 14 inches. It is the first of its kind, and I created it. I'm very proud of it. If you are interested, it is craftmatepaper.com. You can go check it out there. But yeah, that's what I'm doing.
let me know what you guys think about these decal like time lapse. I think these are my favorite out of all the things that I do. All right, so what you're seeing here is I'm listing all my Concord designs, so then I can put those into an email so my potential clients can check out the decals that I created. All right, so like I said, I am doing a cold email lead today, specifically, and this is super random, and I don't want to get too into it because it's a long story, but I'm creating decals for Concord, North Carolina. Basically, long story short, I created a Reddit post, and a lot of people from Concord wanted decals. Anyways, I'm going to be doing cold lead email outreach to Concord, North Carolina boutiques, souvenir shop, gift shops, all that stuff. So here, I'll show you right now the email that I am sending out. And I'm new to cold email. So if I did anything wrong, let me know. Please let me know. But here. So, you know, I'm gonna be honest. I'm from San Diego. I said dear, and then I have embedded emails. So like mine's Quality Prints right now, but it'll be dear Concord Boutique at gmail.com. Okay, so I hope this message finds you well. Actually, you can read it. You know, our latest product, the Concord North, captures essence of Concord rich history. You can put them on bumper stickers and laptops. It'd be a perfect addition to your inventory. Should you decide, we offer competitive bulk pricing, and then we'd love to discuss further. And then I tell them who I am. And then these are the decals that I had created specifically for Concord. And you can shop now, and then I have my Instagram and the subscribe button regardless. So I'm really curious how this is gonna work. Guys, I'm trying to hit that 30K mark, and I realize that if I'm gonna do that, I think I need to dive deep into like a niche or like a city and target them and see what happens. So I will keep you posted and let you know if I make sales through this route. Maybe they do, maybe they don't, but you know, this is why we're doing this journey together, because I'm still so lost of how to make that 30K. And so if this is it, cool, I'll let you know. I'm finishing up this email here. Now we're gonna get into finding the leads on Google and putting them in a CSV file and then inputting it into Klaviyo email. So let's get started. All right, so update on the cold emailing that I sent out this morning to the Concord group. I gotta show you guys this. This is crazy. All right, so I didn't get any sales, okay, or add to carts, but it's not the point. This is my first test to like a very niche group. Out of 14, okay, 14 people emails, only 7 got received and 5 opened. Okay, or no, 2 opened at the time, and somehow I got 67 visitors, okay, and to prove that it's from Concord, like all of this is Concord 14 times, okay? This is a big deal because I'm trying to hit 30K this month, right? And my mug boats are out, and so if I just dive deep into emailing these companies and advertising to them specific products, I may be able to hit 30K this month. And especially with Facebook being down right now and I can't figure out why I can't get ads, I don't have to pay ads. I'm gonna go directly to the consumer, to the business owner, and talk to them. So if you aren't following me, maybe this is the right time to do that, because I'm not sure if this is gonna do nothing or it's gonna explode my business. I'm not sure. So if you're not following, I do this every single day. This is day 12, which is crazy. 2 more days and we'll be at 2 weeks. And whoever's watching and you've been here for 12 days, like, thank you so much. But this will be day 12. So this is the end of the video. It's short. But it's Friday. I'm trying to have a good time. And I hope you guys do as well. I hope you guys have a good weekend. But yeah, hope you guys have a good night. I'm going to break down now the income of yesterday's revenue. So let's check it out. All right, guys. So breaking down the income is going to be pretty simple today because we only made money on one platform, one marketplace. So on Amazon, we made $434. That's all I got to say about that. All right, so our total this month is $12,570. We are still on track to $30K a month. So we're doing good. We got to keep it up though. We got to hit that $30K. But yeah, no, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a very amazing weekend and have a great Friday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 13.